Cobra saddlebag brackets. Here they are right here. Let me put this on wide maybe. Let me make sure I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Pretty easy to do. I am going to do it really quick because I don't want to take a long time doing this. So I'm just going to take one bolt out. There's spacers in between the sissy bar brackets and these chrome thingies. So I am just going to not loosen the back one. I'm going to take this bolt out. I already have Loctite on it. I'm not going to put any more. They don't vibrate loose because it's a Honda, so they run smooth. Drop my Allen wrench. So I'm going to take this bolt out. Everything's pretty much, hopefully it'll stay in place. Yes. Put this back in, put it on, and what I'm going to do is I don't want to make this whole side loose because I got my brother on the phone right beside you. I'm going to just snug it so the spacers don't fall out of the rear. What I should have done was put the Allen wrench on a drill and zing! Got it out real quick. Right there. I got it like snug. So none of these spacers on this back one should fall out. Pretty easy. Cheap little Harbor Freight. Probably, I don't know where it is. Pro Source, it's probably Harbor Freight, I don't know. So this entire job shouldn't take 15 minutes. I mean, it's easy peasy. I don't think my spacer's falling out. Kind of pushing the bracket in so it doesn't fall out. See the Loctite all over it. Put this sucker up, put it in. Come on, buddy. There, now I got it in. I can crank it on down. Now my saddlebags will not interfere with the wheel or the exhaust pipe. That was my brother on the phone because we're like FaceTiming. There you go. I'll show it to you. That's how it looks. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
And that's how you put that on. So how long did it take me? Just a couple minutes? It'll be the same thing on the other side. That's with the bracket. This next one will be right here, and it'll keep soft saddlebags from going in. There you go.